Hi everyone, this is Felix and welcome back to Make It Easy. And for today's video, we're diving into one of the most essential functions you'll use, and we're talking about the average formula in Google Sheets. Imagine you have a bunch of numbers in your spreadsheet, like task scores or temperatures. You want to find the middle number, right? That's where the average comes in. It's like having a magic button that calculates the middle value for you. Whether you're managing your finances or analyzing data, the average formula can save you a ton of time and effort. Using the average is a breeze. With just simple clicks, you can uncover the average of all those numbers. Just select the range of cells you want to average, type in the formula, and voila, you've got your average. So whether you're spreadsheet pro or just getting started, stick around as we explore the average formula together. And let's jump into the example.